Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Gamebird Gourmet. So for this one, we decided we wanted to make some tacos. So we went ahead and we grabbed our pheasant breast. We did go ahead and take the skin and trimmed off as much of the fat as we could. We then sauteed some onions and threw the pheasant in, and we used a bunch of the Mexicali taco seasoning. This stuff is absolutely great if you love tacos, fajitas. I do pulled chicken and pulled pheasant all the time in my slow cooker with that. It is an absolutely great seasoning. Anything Mexican you're doing, I highly recommend you use that. We've also got the flat bottom tacos, so they stand up nice and easy. We went ahead and cooked it for about 10 minutes. Just want to make sure it hits that 165 degrees. We threw in a little bit of cooking sherry just to add a little bit of moisture to it and really help this dissolve and adhere to the pheasant. Once we did that, we chopped up some tomatoes, some really sweet, delicious red bell peppers, and we've got some shredded lettuce and some cheese. I mean, can't go very wrong here. You've got a great seasoning, you've got your pheasant and tacos. We are gonna top it off with Terrapin Ridges Farms Sriracha Aioli. This stuff is delicious as well. Highly recommend. And it looks like my cheese has just started to melt. So let's give this a shot. That is absolutely delicious. You've got the Mexicali taco, all the cumin, the classic Mexican tastes, and then you've got the Sriracha Aioli on top. Absolutely delicious. Highly recommend. We started this about 25 minutes ago, and here we are filming it. So you at home should be able to do this in 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes tops. Feed your whole family with your pheasant. Have them love it. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything about the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Gamebird Gourmet, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Watch our latest sales and giveaway video by clicking here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.